Twice the characters, twice the speed. Welcome to Sonic Adventure 2.
Let's go.
We are back for more with
I'm here this time.
Avi's here to join us. We're going to be sitting back, relaxing. Star's going to be playing this game for us, where he's going to be taking you through every single story path in the game. There's quite a few to get through. This game is a lot faster paced than the first one. There's no hub world. We're just going to jump from stage to stage, so it's going to be a lot at once, and I'm excited.
I know absolutely nothing about this game except that the Chow Garden is apparently better than the first one, and that makes me mad.
I played this game once a few years ago and never again, so here we go. The multiple characters are fun. So today we're going to be starting off the hero story.
Oh shit.
Let's get right into it.
The hero, Brando?
I'm feeling it today. You like humans in your Sonic game?
No.
Well, get ready. Because apparently Sonic's been captured.
Wait, why?
I don't know. It's not connected to the first one. He refuses to take his medication. He's on the run. And the usual quips.
Oh shit.
He is out of here.
About to fucking snowboard through the city?
You bet.
G, wait, what's G mean? That was his symbol, it said G.
Stage 1, City Escape. Right off the rim, Sonic stages run just like they do in Sonic Adventure 1. You just gotta make it to the goal, very linear, very fun.
I feel very bad for those people in those cars.
This is why he was locked up, Avi.
It makes sense now. It definitely makes sense. Sonic is a fucking menace to society.
Look at... My god. Dude, this is why he's not supposed to mingle with the human world.
I've seen better driving in Crazy Taxi.
Oh, that's a great game. Oh, here he is, the little devil, Omochao. He's your little tutorial buddy. Instead of Mysterious Bubbles, he helps you out in this game.
I prefer that.
Yeah, it's nice having an actual tutorial character than just a narrator voice. Oh, and a little squirrel.
Oh, yeah, definitely a little squirrel and not a rabbit.
Those will be used for chows, which we'll see in a minute.
Yes, unlike the first game, we're gonna make sure that we fully go in depth in that. I'm gonna force Star to do it.
Absolutely, we'll try and show some of that. Chow World appears in between stages in this game.
No more Logan and Vance neglecting.
We'll get plenty of opportunities to show it off. Speak of the devil, that Chow container.
That's the key that you mentioned.
Yeah. You can find them in, I think, like, almost all the stages.
Chaos Cola.
Whoa.
Drink the big drip.
Follow me.
Sub.
Oh, is this the part, Star? Oh, it's not yet.
This one's a bop, though.
It's a bop. Like most Sonic games, they just toss you in. But it's a good time. I beat you to the punch, Omochao. I'm the encyclopedia here.
Dude, that elephant is actually super tiny, I just noticed. Pygmy elephant. Yo! Running down the fucking building?
Reminded me that I gotta run more.
I gotta never run, dude. I don't need to run.
Nice, you got another squirrel.
Wait, what is that?
It's a little squirrel, you know?
Oh yeah, dude.
But yeah, gameplay-wise, mostly the same as the first one that AV was absolutely here for.
Oh yeah, dude, that's my favorite game of all time.
Grinding on rails. Oh yeah, this is the part that I
Oh,
mentioned.
what?
Oh god!
What is that, dude?
Run,
Just some
Star,
random
run!
ass truck.
That thing will murder
Dude,
you.
that thing is huge.
I know!
Oh my god, it's bigger than some of those buildings.
Now it's just destroying the city.
Whoa, what the hell is that on the front of its... Oh. I don't know what the word said on the front of the truck.
Oh, I think it said gun.
Oh, I thought it said something else.
Wait, what the heck?
To the right? Wait, what? What the hell?
I never knew that was there.
Yeah, he
I
definitely
thought we were
deserved to be
pausing
called
to
that.
laugh at the truck.
He's the reason I stopped. I never finished Sonic Adventure, the first one.
Is it every stage? You see, Star's gonna have the nuggets of wisdom for us casuals.
Wait, really?
I didn't know it was every stage.
That's interesting.
And that's
just
a wrap.
back there T-posing.
He's like, they didn't give me a stage in this one song.
What does he have to say?
What the heck?
Ooh, a skunk. I mean, a squirrel.
A squirrel? I love that you can just abuse Elmo Chow.
That's fucked up.
Look, AV, he beat the stage. Let's not worry about that. As usual, you can
Rank
replay these
B,
stages.
dude? Oh, you fucking suck.
And they give you different missions when you replay the stage, like time limits or collecting rings. It's for replayability's sake. I just run through though.
Yo, let's go. We're here.
But before we continue the story, it's Chow World.
My favorite place.
Same as before, you can raise them, you can play with them.
Oh, it was a unicorn. What the hell?
There's the Eggy.
How are we gonna raise this little boy?
We gotta give him a good name.
Oh.
Oh? We could name this one Luke since he's not here.
True, this one could be Luke. Except he's smiling, so maybe not.
Maybe not. He's too happy to be
too happy.
We gotta find a different one. Hello, little egg.
Let's hope this one is super angry.
I do remember there's like a good variety.
Come out.
Join us, friend.
Let's see.
Yeah,
that one could be Luke. At least he's not smiling.
He's a little more neutral. Just like before,
wow.
you can
give
them
changed,
stuff,
dude.
and they will adapt.
Oh, there's the pygmy elephant I saw. Are you gonna
A
buff
gift
Luke
for
up?
you, my friend.
Oh wait, that's not an elephant. That's a fucking sheep.
It's a squirrel.
Oh, they're pink. He's pink now.
They're just
Damn,
changing
that rabbit
like
gets
crazy.
a lot of run.
Just make sure not to accidentally toss Luke. He might not. Well, he might look more like Luke after if you do.
True. Damn, Luke is a runner. What are those?
Ooh, did you see the smile on that other one?
He's sadistic. Oh, those one. Oh, those are just the same as animals. So they don't. Maybe they don't make them look different. Maybe that's the difference.
You must learn, Luke. You must learn from the scroll of wisdom.
He's confused. He doesn't know how to fucking read
Don't
yet.
question my authority.
Brando, he can't even read yet.
Oh, he can't even swim yet, but we could toss him in the drink. Sonic's looking at me like, what is wrong with you? He's angry with me.
An impatient father right here.
I know he's got to take care of these little suckers, and these are just the first two. We're already learning a ton. Big the cat, Luke the Chow.
Dude, they're kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie.
You don't like hearing?
Oh, damn. Goodbye, Luke and unnamed child.
This game of tag is boring. I'm out of here.
My internet was out of here, but we back in it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Say
And
hello
Bigfoot.
to Bigfoot. And Sonic is Canadian, like he said last time.
Oh, yeah. Canadian Sonic. Yo, I just realized in that movie poster in the background. Wait, Phantasy Star Online? That's a nice cameo.
Sega.
Anyways, as I was saying, in the background on the planet of the chaos, I guess the Chow are the saviors instead of Sonic. They're the ones who defeat chaos.
They never forgave him because Sonic just dipped after the city got destroyed. He's like, he's no hero.
Take back our freedom.
What? That
Wow,
was intense.
that was a lot faster than last time.
See you later.
Oh, there's the G. Maybe it's something for the city. I don't fucking know, dude.
Sonic runs from the government. Live footage.
It's nothing personnel, kid.
A jewel containing the ultimate.
He shops at Hot Topic.
That's the Chaos Emerald.
I love the pauses.
You know what's going on. The military has mistaken me for the likes of you.
How?
Damn, dude.
Where do you think you're going with that emerald? Say something.
Too bad Trunks wasn't here.
Chaos.
You couldn't
Chaos
tell them
control.
that Sonic's not black.
The military's racist, Amy. We're learning a lot about this game. Whoa. He's fast.
He's fast. Hey, it's not his speed. He must be using the Chaos Emerald to warp. Shadow. I'm the world.
I'm the ultimate life. I knew it.
Farewell.
I hate that I remember that. Put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
1108.
Anyway, meanwhile.
Desert area. It's Knuckles.
My boy.
Let it go. You just don't know.
And there she is. The number
God,
one
Rouge.
hottest female Sonic character.
Rogue Rouge, whatever the heck.
And for some reason, Knuckles is blacker than usual.
The Chaos Emerald. That makes it very powerful. What the?
Oh no!
Look who's calling who a thief.
He is vibing.
I didn't even know Eggman was in this game. I thought it was just gonna be Shadow as the antagonist.
Knuckles is the worst defender ever.
He actually does suck, huh?
He spent the entire first Sonic Adventure game like, it's my duty to protect the Emerald. Look how easy this man lost it.
And then he fucking breaks it.
Ah!
Dude, Eggman has such a girlish scream. You hear that?
What was that?
Yeah, you know what? I think Rouge distracted him, that's why.
Oh, true. The big bahunga boongas.
Being stolen.
The big Bazunga Lungas.
Pieces, I can restore it. And by the way, that's not your emerald. Give me to it once I
Yes, Rouge, the Phantom Thief. I struggled to say it.
I despise anyone.
She works for herself. In some games, she's a double agent, but she just wants them jewels.
see about that.
Damn.
Girl.
Batgirl.
Satan. Wild King.
Welcome to
Stage
Knuckles
2.
Stages. They have the best songs in the game, dude. Welcome to hip
Oh,
hop.
hell yeah, dude. I actually
never
have seen
forget.
this part of the game. I
I'll never
remember.
forget listening to this song for the first time, and apparently it's from like the perspective of Knuckles, and he calls Rouge sexy in the lyrics, and I'm like, whoa, getting a little spicy.
Oh, wow. Look at that. So hard to find.
Knuckles Stages, just like the first one, you gotta find the chunks of the Master Emerald, but it's a lot nicer in this game because the radar is actually in order. They used to just warn you that an emerald was nearby, but they were never specific.
Oh.
But this one like turns yellow when you're getting close and red when you're super close.
That makes more sense.
Not to mention they give lots of nice hints.
Oh.
They like to give hints based on locations. Sometimes they're like riddles. In the first one, you hit the hint icon and the game's like, this way, and then it just flies in a random direction. And if your camera is not aimed on it, dude, you cannot follow it.
Dude, those stupid fucking orbs suck.
Dude, the orb's like, this way, idiot! They're so much nicer this time around. You get to chill with the hip-hop music. I remember some of the later stages take a while.
I think the first time I heard this song was Silva Gunna version.
Oh. Yeah, he picks, like, the most obscure stuff. 'Cause everyone talks about other songs from Knuckles stages. But this one's pretty good, too. Star is almost done anyway. This is the easiest one.
Almost just fucking flying around.
I found him.
Not bad at all.
I found it.
But how's his rank?
Rank B.
I feel good.
It's a B list.
Not bad, not bad. We got to meet Knuckles and Eggers. Oh!
Now we're back
headed
to say hello to Luke. Oh, it's Knuckles now.
Oh yeah, whoever you played is. Which means I think in the Dark Story you can see Eggman.
Really?
He has a really funny run. Look at
Yeah,
that, love and
Knuckles
affection.
is-
See ya.
Yeah, he's way better than Sonic.
Sonic just looked like you said, the impatient father.
There's no mistake about it.
His tail's miles per hour.
It's a secret
Oh, it's time.
base that is reinforced and super strong. It's called
But I'm gonna land on it harmlessly.
Fucking mouth.
on satellite TV.
Prison Island, Xenoblade.
Still can't believe that
Oh shit.
like a military building.
Where's Melia?
Wait for me, okay, Sonic? I'm on my way.
Even Tails looks darker. What is with the shading?
Hey,
He does, huh?
and
Amy, what the heck?
What the hell?
Amy doing here? Doesn't matter. I have to help Amy because she's in danger. Tornado.
Or I could keep talking to myself.
Done.
Hello?
Tails?
um.
Tails? Is it not me this time? I was like, did my thing freeze again? And then Eggman
okay.
shot Amy. And we never heard from Tails again.
Well then.
Why does this happen to every game we play? It wasn't my internet this time, oh my god. Why did it happen in a cutscene?
Dude, it
What the
fucking
heck?
froze at the best moment.
Tornado transformation breaks Star's PC.
Oh, here we go. Oh shit, there's no audio.
Oh no,
We're
tornado.
seeing the transformation with no audio, dude. Oh wow.
It's not the same. We're going into a boss
Not the
fight.
same. Oh shit.
We're already fighting Eggman.
I can't even hear Eggman. He's so quiet in this game, dude. He's down bad after the last game.
He's also about to die.
Wow. That was hard.
Yeah, Tails is too lazy to walk in this game. He pilots a mech in all his stages. He just
Everyone.
freaking murdered Eggman. I didn't even get time to talk about Tails in the mech.
This time I'll let you go, but the next time we meet, you won't be so lucky.
Goodbye, Tails.
Wow, Tails.
I know who your mother is.
What are you doing here on this island?
Yeah.
The one who should be asking that question. Don't you
Yeah, I love this song.
think it's dangerous here?
Oh man, it's Amy and she's as round as ever.
Here to save my
She has a skirt.
No good again. Okay, you stay here.
You should have seen in Adventure 1. The camera goes up there many, many times. It did not ask for it. I want to help Sonic too, but she's not even playable.
There's an actual stage as him.
So we
I thought
have
it was
our
just gonna be
third
that
hero
fight.
here. Tails, he's got homing lasers. He can lock onto stuff, just like there's a Robo character in the first Sonic Adventure, Gamma, who controls a lot
Gamma,
like
yeah.
this.
I see.
And I think Tails can also hover. So there's a lot you can do in the mech, and it's very beefy.
Interesting.
You can kind of just go crazy like you're seeing here on the screen and just lock on everything and keep moving.
Yeah, it doesn't seem all that difficult so far. What's that bar?
I can't remember if that's his actual health in the tank or if...
I saw it go up. I think it was going up whenever Star collected some shit. Oh, maybe it is his health.
Yeah, I'm
It
trying
goes
to...
down too when he gets
I'm
hit.
trying to remember.
Star just sucks so bad that he can't get it to full, so we'll never know.
Oh, it's just that B rank is just getting farther and farther away.
Yeah. That hurts. Did he get hit? Or is he talking? Is he
I don't
talking
know.
about us?
Sonic games are a different caliber, Amy. They're built different. Oh, a scroll,
Oh, he's
not a
dead.
squirrel. Oh, Jesus!
I'm not gonna help you anymore. What's that? A
Can you
tiger.
Can you imagine if he actually did it?
Look
It
at
is
that
kind of
fucking-
fun though to just mow down. It is kind of fun to just mow everything in your path.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. Big the cat. He's in jail, dude.
Oh my goodness!
Fucking
Why is he on Prison Island?
He's trying to master the true Monado.
I know we established that he's in every stage, but still. Oh, look at all those bonus
My
points.
God,
Maybe
dude.
his rank will be saved.
True.
Yeah. He's getting so many items for Luke. Luke's gonna be so happy. Or not.
Or not. Yeah, I doubt it.
Okay.
Dude, what even is that G, dude? What's it stand for, actually? It's bothering me now. I want to know.
We need to know the real. That's the real. You're asking the real questions here. I wonder if it's for that military thing again, like gun.
Oh, maybe.
But like we already saw the whole thing spelled out, but I don't know.
Brand is just gun.
Gun.
The gun company.
Yeah, so much for like heavily fortified. Well, it is heavily fortified, but Tails is kind of just, you know.
Still just a fucking beast.
He's here to break out his buddy. Like Sonic the Fugitive, dude. I don't know if this is the hero story anymore.
Guess not. Unless the man is the bad guys.
We got Tails breaking his buddy out of prison. Knuckles
Except for
destroyed the Knuckles destroyed the Master Emerald.
He just passed it right by Big.
Ugh.
He did not care about him.
You could have saved him from the cell, maybe. But alas.
Oh wow.
Destroyed.
Awesome.
Radical.
I did it!
I did it. I broke into a heavily fortified government security prison base.
Very
Rank
good.
B.
Maintain that B. Not bad, not bad.
That's gonna be the true journey of this game. Trying to get started, get an A.
Let's visit our buddy Luke real quick. Hello?
Oh, you could just float forever here.
I think this is the only time that you get to play as Tails, like, normally.
That's interesting.
He's kind of, you know, he's chilling in his mech now. Imagine if you could bring the mech in here.
Go. Spit out all the fucking animals.
That gorilla's kind of funny.
Oh my god, you got a unibrow now.
Now he's extra angry.
It does actually look more like he's angry. Level up.
Oh god, he's got a tail.
Another level up.
Oh god, he's an angry furry.
Oh gosh. Dude, that's
Still
so
can't
fucking...
swim.
Oh shit,
Still
is
can't.
it time for his first race? Alright.
Watch how kind of scary looking.
Dude, those smiles are
If I'm not mistaken, yeah, there's different races.
Oh, it's just he's just child right now.
Ooh.
Crab Pool, Stumo Valley, Mushroom Forest, or Block Canyon.
So many options.
Whichever one is fucking run, because Luke is a runner.
Oh yeah, I forgot Luke can't swim. What if there's water?
Gosh.
All you could do is cheer him on.
I bet everyone else is gonna make fun of him because he's a furry.
Oh man, a furry that can't swim. Come on, Luke. Half of them are sleeping. You got this.
Come on, Luke. You could do it, brother.
Let's go. So yeah, Star does not have control over this. It's all up to stats.
Okay, he's kind of slowing down. Oh, he's picking it up. He's picking it up.
His stamina's running out.
Let's go, Luke.
Wow.
What happens if your stamina runs out there? Did he just fucking fall off?
Bonk his head on the... Wow, nicely done.
We're so proud of you, Luke.
I remember tossing mine into a swimming race without realizing, and it was terrible.
Fucking murderer, dude.
They have to, like, jump off a cliff into the ocean, and it's terrifying. Now Luke is getting stronger.
Yes. Some more power.
More scrolls of wisdom.
Departure machine, what's that? To send them out?
Everything will be okay.
The way you chucked him in. Goodbye.
You can release him, dude. Like Brando would have had to release his if he was playing a Chow Nuzlocke.
I know.
Just drowned alive.
Ugh, being in prison is boring.
Huh? Amy?
Keep your voice down. Have no fear.
Didn't Tails save the day, though?
You know,
You get
that's what I thought.
Well, if you gotta know, I caught a ride with Tails. Are you sure
Where-
you don't need my help? It looks
I have many questions.
The reason I'm in here is because of that
He's just...
hedgehog.
The black hedgehog.
Whoa, dude.
Whoa, Amy, I don't like the way you said that.
Yo, is Sonic smart?
I thought
Look at all the writing on the wall. Did he do that?
He knows his numbers.
Actually, Albert Einstein?
Whoa, you're right.
hedgehog came here with
You must have calculated how many days it would take for Tails to arrive.
What's all that writing on the wall?
Oh, here we go.
Did you write that? Wait,
Oh, we will never know.
he's such a
You can't leave me like this game.
What a cliffhanger.
Onwards. We're back to Sonic here, getting out of the military base.
Running from the police again.
What a hero story.
I look up to him.
Sonic's my role model.
Oh gosh, camera.
Camera.
Penguin. You should definitely give that to him. See, that's how much he loves pushy penguins.
So I don't know. I think I already mentioned it before, but this game, I'd love to do a bonus episode covering some two-player action in this game. You can race a friend to some of the stages in this game. I remember ages ago, I raced Star on this level, and we both fell in the water many times.
Get some new kicks.
Whoa!
Light shoes, light dash to move at light speed along passive
He's got
rings.
those new Nike Airs.
Action window will appear near rings. Press the B button to get them.
Nice tutorial voice. Whoa!
I'm the new orb.
This.
Oh my
Did
god.
you see that?
Look at fucking head. They really want him dead.
Dude, the military's getting desperate. They're attacking their own base. Sonic, you are one wild child.
Oh, there's gun again. It must be, dude.
It must be, yeah. They have the G and the gun logo for some reason.
They just gotta let you know. If you ever escape this prison,
G.
know who did it.
Yeah, sometimes I slow down on those turns too because I just run right into the water. Another opportunity to visit our friend Luke.
Maybe.
Oh, maybe Star's looking for a juicy cameo.
Maybe. I don't know what's going on.
There's another Chow key there. I don't know if the different shaped keys make a difference. He'll explain to us shortly.
To the top.
Oh my god!
Oh, I see him.
I don't know why I question every time you stop, because I should know what's coming.
He's just over there fucking fishing. How'd he get out? I guess maybe Tails did help him.
He already got this far ahead.
Oh, shit.
Whoa, time limit!
Oh god.
I don't remember this in two-player.
Dude, this seems more like fucking NASA base than a military base.
Sonic just hijacked the rocket and ran. He is out of
Guess we're
here.
going to the sun. Oh, never mind.
Never mind.
We're snowboarding again.
Oh, I don't remember this part.
So I missed everything. Oh, and there's the goal.
We'll see if missing that made a difference, Avi.
Let's see.
Bam, 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 bam.
Oh! Oh no! Star, what happened?
It should have been G for gun. Oh,
Oh, I'm
really?
sure Star.
Oh my god, I love this scene.
So good. Hey, that's...
That blue hedgehog again, of all places.
I found you, Faker.
Faker. I think you're the fake hedgehog around here.
I think you're the fake here.
Huh. You're not even good enough to be
I'll
my
make you
fake.
eat those words.
Oh shit, we're fighting him.
Time to play
Our first fight with Shadow the Hedgehog. Ow, the edge. He's got the spin dash, he's got the moves. It can be kind of tricky to hit him sometimes.
And he's skating, dude.
You don't need
Oh,
to
they're
run.
fake, dude. Drowning.
Wait, he's in the boss fights too? He's just eternal.
Dude, he was down there looking for Froggy.
I'm the cool.
Ooh, nice. Nice hit, Star.
I see.
Show him who the real hedgehog is.
Whoa.
It gets a little out of control with the auto aim,
Do you know who I am?
but it was no problem for Star.
Finally gonna get an A? Oh, never mind. Those aren't ranked.
Escape from the island in 8 minutes. Oh my goodness!
Shadow, what are you doing? Hurry and get back here right now before the island blows
On the next episode, Sonic will have to escape the entire island before Eggman blows it up! See you then!